Teruna Classic Binance Endorsement. Teruna Classic Binance Endorsement. Now, Teruna Classic has maintained a steady rise in price since yesterday, and since Binance announced they'll be supporting the network upgrade for Teruna Classic. Since then, this coin has also increased in price. No wonder yesterday we saw a massive increase in price of about almost 4% increase in price. Teruna Classic hit almost 4% in just one day, and with 7 days it was hitting almost 7 to 8%. Well, that was because Binance actually came out to announce that they will be supporting Teruna Classic network upgrade. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world, and you know what it means for Binance to stand by you. You know what it means for Binance to keep on supporting. That is why a lot of people are still holding on to Teruna Classic. But I'm happy to see at with the recent rise and recent network upgrade, we are expecting something different. We are expecting something different from what has been happening with Teruna Classic. I believe, of course, LUNC Teruna Classic developers are also watching, knowing what is going around, knowing what is flowing around Teruna Classic right now, because so many people are also pulling out because people are kind of tired of holding a coin that is not really doing increasing in terms of price or changing. So rather, some people are actually pulling out. Right now, they are coming up with different ways in order to help Teruna Classic to remain at the top. But the main point here is I'm happy that Binance, yes, the world's biggest crypto exchange, have also come out to endorse Teruna Classic, okay, to announce they will keep on supporting, and they are going to support and accept the network upgrade for Teruna Classic LUNC. Today, even though that Bitcoin have actually dropped all the way from 30,000 down to 29,000 plus, you can see some coins are on red. Teruna Classic is still on green today, and I'm happy because unlike before, normally you know what will happen. By now, LUNC should be losing almost 3 to 4%, but still now, Teruna Classic is still on green, which is a good sign that this news about Binance have really helped Teruna Classic to stand firm in these few hours, in these few days. So I'm happy for that. I'm really happy for that. So let's hope for the best, and let's hope for more support to come from other crypto exchanges like Kucoin, Get.io. Let's hope for more support start coming up from other crypto exchanges. So I believe that by the time these exchanges put hand together, coming from Crypto.com, blockchain, X.com, OKX, I believe we are going to achieve something more better than we have been achieving in the last months. So let's see where this network upgrade is going to take Teruna Classic to. Let's see the changes it will bring. Let's see the improvement this is going to improve on Teruna Classic LUNC coin. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.